In CeeLo's mind, oh no, the sus neighbors. I'll give them a room.
Spoons. Kissing weirdly.
In you cat's mind. He sucked my tongue. IDC.
This will make them die faster.
Moans. Moans together.
You hops off. Oh, hi there. I'm just stretching so I can deal with this later. Also, can I hug you? TY. Sorry for the people who don't wanna be hugged. No time for heck.
You missed out. Oh well, she's not lucky like us.
Yeses, I am.
Baby, I gonna poop.
Okay.
Baby, come here.
Okay.
Let's have nasty in the shower.
Okay, I'm sorry for you. They're gonna die by the way. Hi TY for watching.